Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Darrel, co-founder of CapitalBay. Thank you, Wild Digital, for having us. CapBay is an award-winning supply chain finance platform serving the Southeast Asian market with working capital solutions such as invoice financing. Today, I'd like to share with you how we've reimagined credit scoring and helped financial inclusion, and how you are able to participate in our P2P platform. Cash is king. In fact, it is so essential that over 50% of small businesses have failed due to cash flow issues. It is a $55 billion problem in Southeast Asia. Our goal is to make it as simple as sliding to unlock cash flow. Supply chain finance, or SF in short, is a booming industry. However, banks find it difficult to provide it to SMEs. Top rejection reasons include onboarding requirements, requests for additional information or collateral, and it being too expensive to run operationally. This is where CapitalBay comes in. We adopt and utilize the latest technology to help us facilitate fast and accurate financing decisions. We also have a differentiated form of credit assessment, and more on this later. Finally, we also have gone through rigorous due diligence through many banks that have validated our technical capabilities. Our multi-funder model helps differentiate us. We're able to tap into large pools of sources of funding through our relationship with banks, and we're also able to, with our new P2P license, tap into retail investors so that they are able to invest alongside banks in high-quality financing deals. So, how do we ensure these high-quality deals? The bank's typical credit analysis typically stops short at things such as the borrower's financial information, collateral, and so on. We go over and beyond this. We utilize data within the supply chain to determine creditworthiness. Conceptually, we assess the risk at the transaction level as opposed to just at the company level. Our prediction model has had a 99.9% accuracy thus far. Now, let me walk you through an example of what CapitalBay can do. A large supermarket chain comes into our platform and signs up as a buyer. They have hundreds of suppliers, many of which are small businesses who struggle to obtain financing from banks, one of which is a Japanese confectionery supplier. They are keen in our program as they are cash-strapped and can only supply to 10 stores. Our platform is very easy to use and adopt bank-grade security. Our onboarding process is simple and fully digital. Once onboarded, customers can apply for financing with just a few clicks. Within minutes, we assess the risk through our proprietary models. This information is then passed on to the funders, who is then able to disburse the funds within T+1. This transaction would have otherwise taken up to 3 months. So, with our help, SMEs are able to get financing, get the cash earlier, and they are able to expand the products and supply more to the large supermarket chain, i.e. the buyer. As for the funder, they're able to receive attractive returns on a safe asset class and with minimal operational work. In a nutshell, a multiple win situation for the supplier, buyer, and funder. The CapitalBay team brings together relevant experience from a diverse background, including finance, data science, and technology. Our passion for business financing has brought us together. In the 18 months that we've been in operations, we are proud to have facilitated over 1,000 transactions worth over 80 million ringgit, with over 200 SMEs helped, and with a 0% default rate. We also have 6 financial institutions as our supporters, and with many more in the pipeline. We are also proud to have received 2 prestigious awards from the Asian Banker, including the best fintech platform for supply chain finance in Asia Pacific. And so, if you're an investor, we welcome you in our journey. And if you're a potential partner or customer, we'd love to chat. Also, I'd like to highlight that please, if you could drop your email on our website, capitalbay.com.my, if you're interested to sign up for our pilot program for our P2P launch, where you are able to invest alongside the banks in high-quality financing deals. We also have exclusive promotions, and spaces are limited. To end off, many SMEs face rejection based on traditional lending practices. With a new data economy, this allows us to have a paradigm shift in how we do credit assessment. CapitalBay is at the forefront of this revolution, and taking a leap for financial inclusion. Thank you.